people who take drugs and tweet at night and insult us.
Parliament to pass a motion of no confidence.
But we can't directly put a motion of no confidence on it.
Establish a political party.
The room going a bit dark.
Turn the lights down.
Nothing this parliament can do, with or without you, people are going to occupy land. Never be scared to kill. Starting with this homogeneous. The poor, who will expropriate land without compensation.
President Cyril Ramaphosa has removed the Honorable Andrew Whitfield MP from the position of Deputy Minister of Trade, Industry and Competition.
Are you out on bail on fraud and mismanagement case and new NEC in constitution as miss? Is it true, Chair?
There must be a national dialogue. National dialogue means to talk. And they say for talking, they want 700 million. Ukukhuluma nje, ukuvula mlomo, 700 million, because they want to steal from us.
And they got a team. They got Supersport. The minister, when I get reshuffled, I'll go look for a job there.
Lieutenant General Sibia was acting on the instruction of the Minister of Police to disband the team. This was done without the authority of the National Commissioner, nor I as a Provincial Commissioner was never informed. 5 of these dockets had already instruction to arrest perpetrators, but nothing has been done because a Lieutenant General Sibia, being instructed by the Minister, executing instruction of the Minister, withdrew all these dockets and they are sitting in archive in his office at Pretoria. God knows why. Mr. Brown Mogotsi sends a WhatsApp message to myself, Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi, regarding the allegation on defeating the ends of justice matters which were widely publicized, which involves an incident that happened at the correctional service at Mpangeni in KwaZulu-Natal. He sends this message. In this